Hey everyone, I am Parushi Sharma. Currently I am working as an intern with Lexis and Company, and today I will talk about rights of women in India. Our constitution and law provide several rights to women, but some women, especially of rural areas, are unaware of them. If they have the knowledge about their rights, then no one can violate their rights, and they can live their life with dignity. And we will discuss about some common laws and rights which are offered by our law and constitution to the women. So first right is a domestic, which comes under Domestic Violence Act to prevent ourselves from domestic violence, which is Domestic Violence Act 2005. According to this Domestic Violence Act 2005, a woman can file a case against his husband or in-laws if they treat her brutally or mentally torture her or physically abuse her, and she is protected from these violence under this act. Not only the woman, anyone can complain on her behalf, and women can also ask them from financial aid in this circumstances. So the second right is the sexual harassment of women at workplace prevention, prohibition and redressal act 2013. So this act empowers women to fight with the sexual harassment, especially in workplace. Security of women is necessary in the workplace, and it is the duty of employer to protect the women from these types of harassment. Sexual harassment at workplace is considered as a violation of women's right to equality, life and liberty. And under this act, the woman can complain against the person who is harassing her or who has harassed her. They are also provided with the 19 days paid leave. In that period, they will be given salary, but they don't have to work at the workplace. The next one is the Female Infanticide Prevention Act 1870. This act says that the killing of a female infant and even try to know about the gender of the infant is a punishable offense. This act banned all type of gender recognition method of an infant. Next is right to hide name of rape victim. Women who are rape victim can hide their name in public. The rape victim can file complaint in the front of only in the front of a female police officer or magistrate, and even the case of the rape victim is handled by a female judge, and a speedy judgment is also directed by this act. Next is right to deny for arrest at night. Yes, women can protect themselves from being arrested at the time of night. According to CRPC section 46, women have right to avoid from arrest at night. Women can be arrested at night in a very rare condition, and that too after the permission of a magistrate. If a magistrate permits to arrest a woman, then only in that case a woman can be arrested at the time of night. Next is right to get equal wages for equal work. If a woman is working equally to a man, then she is entitled to get the same wages as of a man. Discrimination in salary on the basis of a gender will be punished, and it is will not be entertained. Next is maternity rights. Yes, maternity is a right of a woman, and for this maternity, they have a right which gives a woman an opportunity of 26-week paid leave during her pregnancy. Employer should give her a paid leave for this period, and he is bound to do so. And if he remove the woman from his post only due to pregnancy, then he will be punished and chargeable. Next is right to maintain dignity. A female accused or victim have a right to be diagnosed by a female medical practitioner. If a male practitioner is diagnosing or treating her, then she can deny from being diagnosed from a male practitioner. Next is right to get free legal aid. A rape victim is entitled to get free legal aid, and a legal service authority provides her with a good legal practitioner so that she will not find difficulties in the procedure of the trials. Next is right in property. According to the Hindu Succession Law Act, women have equal right in the ancestral property of their father. Earlier it was only given to men, but now after the amendment, women are also equally eligible to get the ancestral property. Thank you.